It's pleasure to welcome Nagajyothi Sharab, a name that has quietly redefined premium beauty and wellness in the heart of Goa. From her beautifully appointed fashion TV salon in Margao, she brings together world-class hair artistry, restorative spa rituals and advanced skincare, all delivered with genuine sense of care. Rooted at Costa Towers in Salset, her work blends global finesse with easy warmth of her surroundings, and we are delighted to welcome her here with us today. Very warm welcome to you, ma'am, on Gomantak TV. Yes.
Thank you so much.
So, what exactly is fashion TV, and what does it represent in this beauty and industry?
FTV is a well-known brand. It's a global brand. Everyone knows FTV means fashion TV. It is actually known as a runways and fashion weeks, but now we are into saloon, spa, cafe, real estate, and many more are coming. So FTV Salon is started by Michael Adam in 1997 in Paris, but in India, Kashif Khan is acting like an FTV India CEO.
So tell us about your journey. What made you enter this industry? How did it start?
I'm very fond of beauty and beauty services. So with the interest only, I started this FTV Salon and Spa. I got a great chance to start FTV. I'm very happy with this global brand, FTV Salon. Actually, I started searching to start a business. Then I got this through Insta. So they called me. They gave all the details. So I went and Mumbai to meet them personally. So I saw the things, how it will work out. So then like that it started my journey with FTV.
Yes. So what are the services that you offer at your salon?
We provide different types of service. We are into all beauty services, and now we started therapies also. Like earlier it was fashion TV salon. Now we started spa also. So we are providing all types of hair, nails, makeup, beauty, and spa therapies also. In hair, we provide hair treatments like Botox, keratin, nanoplastia, hair colorings, highlights, and so many types of colors, and in hair treatments, hair color, we are giving the best service. We are using only international brands, imported brands, and we can't compromise with the brands and service also. And in beauty, we are providing facials, pedicure, manicure, waxing, all facial services. Different types of facial, hydra facials, like hydra pedicures, we have aroma facials, and nails also we are providing nail art, all types of nail arts, and makeup we are giving wedding and party makeups.
Okay, so which brands or products you use so that to maintain the standards?
We are using all imported brands like GK, MK, Cadu, and Swatchcraft. Now we are introducing L'Oreal also. For therapies we are using Aroma, and so many imported brands we have. And I can proudly say only MK brand, FTV Salon only providing in Goa. One and only FTV salon, no other luxurious salon, any hi-fi salon, even 5-star hotels also they are not providing. Only FTV salon is providing this MK brand.
So what is special about this MK brand?
This is using for hair treatments, only for hair treatments.
Okay. So what makes this FTV salon different and unique as compared to the other salons in Goa?
FTV salon is unique. It blends with high fashion luxury with the global brand of FTV salon.
Okay.
FTV standards actually.
So tell us about your team. How many professionals are there and what are their specializations?
I have 10 members. There are categories. For hair, we have 4 categories. First is art director. He is senior most. He knows everything like hair coloring, treatment, hair spa, everything like. And second is senior hairstylist, and third is junior hairstylist, 4 is barber. Okay. And I have 3 beauticians, 1 senior, 2 junior, and 1 makeup artist, and I have 1 nail artist, and I have 2 therapists.
Okay, so there's this perception about FTV salons that it is expensive. So how would you address this?
People think FTV salon expensive because of the ambience, and I'm maintaining the standards and the looks, and they feel this is very expensive, we can't afford. But once they step in, they feel yes, this is not expensive, we can afford the service.
So do you have any special offers or packages, especially for youth or the senior citizens who are interested?
Yes, because students, they have limited budget. Parents can't give so much money to that little hands, so I want to provide service to them also, so that I am giving some such a good offers to students, even for senior citizens also, like they're according to the scheme we will provide to students or senior citizens.
Yes. So what made you choose South Goa especially to set up the salon and not North Goa?
So I wanted to start in South Goa. I am very familiar to South Goa.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I started in South Goa.
So have you had the opportunity to work with the celebrities or the personalities, as we can see behind, but mention some and the experiences you have had with them?
Yeah, actually I'm very happy and I'm very glad and lucky to say this. I work with Rajni sir. He's a global star. Everyone knows Rajni sir. Talaiva choice, I can say, Fashion TV Salon Goa. So I can proudly say that, and I am providing to so many high class people. I can't take everyone name. So so many people are coming to Fashion TV Salon. Politicians, like models, like film stars and sportsmen. So many are coming. So I'm very proud.
So what are your future plans and any upcoming expansions you see, like other parts of Goa?
Yeah, I'm planning to start a nightclub in North Goa. So let's see.
Okay. So what is this spa ritual you mentioned earlier? So what is
We
that?
have different types of spa therapies. We are providing deep tissue, aroma, Balinese, and dry Potli massages. We are providing. So we have 15 types of therapies.
Thank you for joining us and sharing your journey. So this was all about FTV Salon. So stay tuned for more such inspired conversations only on Gomantak TV.